Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. This is to replace the old one that I sure enough got my money's worth out of. It has a smaller blade. It's still functioning, but this is hanging up and the motor's really weak. So we went ahead and got one of these, Ryobi One. Gives you the warranty. Yeah. Way cheaper. Looks like you're going to have to put the blade on. I'll give you an Allen wrench right here. It goes into a hole right here. Gives you a free blade with it. Probably got a lock. Right here is the lock. Spin it until you feel the lock drop down in. Pull the bolt, pull the washer. Pull the guard back, which is a clear plastic. Slide the blade in.
Washer.
I think that's wrong.
Washer.
I know.
You got it right.
Because it cuts this way.
Oh, we don't know which way it spins now.
I guess we're gonna, it shows you directions. You can go either way with this blade. We're gonna find out and I'll change it if I need to. Lock it right there. Pull this battery off the old one. Goes inside here. Quite a bit heavier.
It spins this way.
Yeah. Battery's pretty low. Seems to be alright. Let you know more later. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.